A question we get asked very often is what option is better to get a mortgage, going directly with the bank or working with an independent mortgage broker. By the end of this video, you will have a clear picture of the pros and cons of working with one or the other, and you will be able to decide which of the options works best for you according to your particular circumstances. Hey, it's Humberto Gomez here. I have been a realtor since 2006, and with my business partner, we have helped hundreds of clients over the years to buy, sell, and invest in real estate. If you're in the market and need some guidance, or you have real estate related questions, you can book a quick call with me. You'll find my contact information in the description below. I'll be happy to help. Now let's get into it. First, let's review some facts that will give you a clear picture of how things work with banks and mortgage brokers. Number one, banks make more money by bringing in more clients and by lending them money. Number two, banks pay independent mortgage brokers a finder's fee for every mortgage they bring them, and in some cases for mortgages they help renew with them. Number three, not everyone that works in the bank is a mortgage specialist. Most bank account executives have to deal with multiple services that the bank offers. Therefore, it's practically impossible for them to be experts in every product. Number four, the services of mortgage brokers are free to their clients, and the banks are the ones that pay them. Number five, banks have their own mortgage specialists. When getting a mortgage directly from the bank, you need to make sure you're working with one of their mortgage brokers. Number six, when it comes to mortgage approvals, banks don't care how long you have been with them, how nice you are, or how nice the person managing your account is to you. If you don't meet their requirements, you won't get a mortgage, period. This is very important for you to understand. Getting a mortgage is a business transaction, and you should treat it as such and make a decision based on what is best for you and your family. Number seven, with rare exceptions, banks offer the same terms and conditions to all clients, whether they are being referred by an independent mortgage broker or by a bank employee. Now, let's review how the approval process works with each option. Unless you specifically requested, when you go directly to a bank and ask if you qualify for a mortgage, what they actually do is give you a pre-qualification, which means that they simply estimate how much they can lend you based on the information you're providing them. At this point, they don't verify anything. This process takes only a few minutes, and if this is your case, it's extremely important that you're very cautious when presenting an offer. You have to include a financing conditions, since your mortgage can still be declined. When you prepay a mortgage, either because you sold your current home or because you are refinancing it, you could be subject to penalties, and they can be hefty. However, it is very common that those penalties are waived if you get a new mortgage with the same bank. This may be the greatest advantage of going directly with a bank. Now, let's review the other option. A good mortgage broker will first chat with you to understand your situation and your future plans. This information will help them shop around with different banks and lending institutions to find you the best options available for your specific circumstances. They will review your credit, ask you for the paperwork required, and then submit a pre-approval request with one or more banks. Your application will be reviewed, and after about 5 to 7 days, you will get a formal pre-approval in writing. If there is a problem with your application, the mortgage broker will help you find options to solve them. That's another advantage of having access to multiple banks, which can make a huge difference. Until you get fully pre-approved, the mortgage broker will recommend you not present an offer without a financing condition. In summary, if you want to have more options, I recommend you go with an independent mortgage broker. And if you want to work directly with a bank, make sure that you are working with a mortgage specialist to make sure you are getting the best possible advice. If you're looking into buying or selling real estate in the region of Waterloo, feel free to contact me. You'll find my contact information in the description below. You can also visit my website to see all the latest listings available. Finally, if you found this information useful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching.